next video is me doing a totally unprepared video, which, now that I realize it, I should have got a saw because I'm going to need a saw for this. But in the meantime, I'm going to try to use one of these. Woo! Anyway, if you know anything about me and my channel, I like to go out and collect junk. Not necessarily unusable junk, but like junk that I plan on using, because, you know, if you're doing one project and do something else, you kind of hunt down shit for the other thing. So when you're done this one, you can actually get to that project instead of going, oh, wait, I was going to build a, you know, I don't know, I was going to build a castle, but I forgot to collect rocks. So whatever. I don't know. I'm just pulling shit out of my butt. So anyway, I have a pile of chairs over there. I have a pile of wood over there. And I would like to finish some bar stools. They're sitting here because literally they're in my way and I like to get them out of my hair. And in the process of working on bar stools, every time I go down the road and I see stuff like this, where is it? Go down the highway and there's always chairs. Cheap old chairs. This one might not fall apart too quick. I'll put this one on the side. Anyway, there's always broken chairs. People are always throwing out broken chairs. There's always things like this involved. This is coming out. So what I like to do is, first, I like to take rubber hammers and see if I can pop the rest of it off here. Okay. See if it comes out. If it doesn't come out, you got two options. You spin it. See if you can get this apart. Put the camera down here. Without getting too much. See, it's only a nail. It uses billy club. This one. Why am I using a rubber mallet? There's a reason. I don't want to dent all the wood. Basically like this. Pull that out. The fact that these are just nailed in there and there's no glue proves that some of these chairs are really shitty. So this has got what, probably a nail in the bottom. Oh look, this is how cheap it is. They put two nails here. So basically this isn't the most. We can see that. Next victim. Next thing, what I like to do is normally use power tools for this, but take the old chairs like so, set them up on your bench and just go like this. I could have sworn I have a power saw. They don't come out, you cut them out. And then this one's off. You take this and go. What am I doing? See that? They usually pop off pretty easy. Right in the garbage. What do I want? I want this piece. See that? Not sure if this is maple, oak, cheap, whatever from whatever country. But for the most part, that's all I really want is this piece. Just have that other piece off. I got one. What am I doing with it? Well, when you got to cut out 12-inch rounds and you think 1-inch thick piece of whatever, guess what? This is the best shit on the planet. This is just pull out of here. Right out. This one probably won't come out. Come on. That one came out. And anybody out there in cheap chair line don't do it these. The sad part is it's got to be a use for this besides trash. And so what I do is I look at each chair and go, which one's deserving of being destroyed? See, this one's coming out. And it's missing a spindle, so I'll just give it a beat down. Oh, look at that. How it came right off. This might come off. Oh, we can go with the trash. hopefully these are still straight. But look, you get a nice, as soon as I cut these at 12 inches, get a nice 12-inch diameter round cut out of here. See that? You can reuse DeWalt tape measures. So we got 2 of them. 1, 2. Let's put that in the garbage. Occasionally, you find public enemy number 1 here, which is like, you know, not too bad shape, but just, you just kind of don't care, because bad part about using a rubber mallet, bounces. Put on here, just like this. Come on, off the goddamn. So anyway, method number 2. Oh, there we go. Oh, base open. Come on. Sometimes they don't like to cooperate. The bottoms always come off easier. That in the trash. Here's wooden plate number 3. See, 3 plates. And here's the one that, see, because these are the chairs I feel sorry for. Because look, nothing wrong with it. But, you know, somebody's one little hit to the body there. Oh, comes right off. Now, if you're bored, you know, the other thing you can do with these is take this, get yourself a little Lazy Susan thing, and you can use it as a, you know, see, you can make yourself a swivelly divelly chair. I don't do woodwork. I hate doing woodwork. In fact, I even have problems trying to cut these round, perfectly round, because I don't got all the fancy woodwork machinery. So, this one, I don't know. Maybe I'll keep the bottom. Peel off the glue. So you guys occasionally get a little piece that spindles are intact. Good part is with this. Good part with this is I got 4 kids. They like weird stuff like this. So could have kept the chair, could have kept the spindles. One of the other things is with all those spindles, you can cut them into little blocks for kids to play with. Of course, I don't know what the last owner did with these, if they slathered crystal meth all over them, or was it were they in Union Carbide's plant before everybody died in Bhopal, India? I mean, I don't know. But since I don't know what's on them, I obviously won't be using them in the fireplace. I don't own a fireplace, so I can't even do that. I will put them in the burn pile, but I don't have a burn pile because my fire pit's over there. So I just, I don't know, get rid of them, throw them in the dumpster. These things, I don't know, maybe I can make a metal blade and make a hatchet thing out of it. There's always, I don't know, like, see, I know Arco is always making hammer handles. So Arco, would you make a hammer handle with this? I mean, it's some pretty tough wood. The thing that sucks is, like, even on these ones, you see this, that they're, I don't know what kind of wood this is. It's kind of a, you can't even use these because there's holes in it everywhere. You can, like, if I had a use for these crooked pieces of wood, maybe. So it's, the bottom parts are not even worth keeping. I mean, you want to make like super shitty billy clubs to beat someone down, fine. So yeah, I'll cut them all up, and I don't know, maybe I'll purchase a wood chipper and do that, or I'll put a piece of, I don't know, metal in here and make a giant tomahawk out of it. Who knows? Other than that, that's what I do with the chairs. This, see, I could make a swivelly chair out of it. It's already swiveling. Just need a little Lazy Susan attachment. Normally I find these everywhere. Everybody throws these out. I stopped picking these up because I don't like the size of the round piece and their color. These have nice like wood grain. They're all glued together. And I mean, like I said, if you're a woodworker up there, if you're a woodworker and need a really, what was that, bug? Need a really thick grain of wood. This one's it's not even perfectly straight, but hey, you can flip it over and use whatever. It's got the little thing in there. Cut them in a circle. You can make whatever you want of these. How much is a piece of oak like this going to cost, or maple? First of all, you're going to have to find a piece of oak or maple, cut it up, and then glue it. These are like, you know, cheater plates for me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll have some more metalworking stuff with a rubber mallet. Oh, by the way, I bought these at Harbor Freight. They're pieces of crap. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. And if you're still watching, like and subscribe, and I don't know, tell me how much you love or hate the channel. If you don't like it, leave a polite comment saying you're not into the not into the content. If you know it's not for you, you don't have to like everything. Yeah, right. You don't have to be like me and like vice grips. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.